So in the previous video we have learned how computer works. There I have told you that computer works on binary number system, that is zeros and ones or on and off. But we understand decimal number system. And also I told you that the codes, that is numbers, can be used as codes for giving an instruction or a data or a message. See, I am just going to give the introduction to the number system, but there is a topic, the details are there, conversion from octal to binary and so many conversions are there. If you want to learn that is mostly required in academics. If you want to learn that, there is a section called miscellaneous. You have to go to that section and study in detail about the conversion. So the videos are available there. Here in this video, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to go in detail right now. So I'll give you introduction to number system. So let us look at. See, basically we use decimal number system. In decimal number system, the pictures or figures or symbols are from 0 to 9. Total 10 symbols we have, 10 symbols. Then computer works on zeros and ones. So how many symbols? Only 2 symbols. So binary number system have only 2 symbols, 0 and 1, that's all. See, one thing I'll tell you. Once we have finished with the last symbol, after 9 we use the combination of symbols. We write 10, after that we write a 10. 10 means 0 and 1, we are combining. 1, 0. So this place is 1, the next place again will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have finished with the symbol, so that's why we are taking combination of symbol. So same way, we have only 0 and 1, then what is the next number? It is 1, 0, we have to take the combination. So don't read it as 10, read it as 1, 0 in binary form. That's it. So I have some numbers here, just look at them. 0 in binary form is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 0, 3 is 1, 1, 4 is 1, 0, 0, 5 is 1, 0, 1, so on. Up to 16 I have written. Now if you want to be strong in the concepts of programming, you want to study it in detail, very minor things, you should know these numbers. So some of them you should remember, some of them you should be quickly able to convert them. So that I have explained in miscellaneous videos, there you can learn it. Next. What is this? Octal and hexa. See, remembering a number in 00111 is too tough. It's too tough. We need a simple method. So what people have done to make this simple, octal is introduced. So you can take 3 digits of a binary number and convert into octal. Then even this is also less. So they have introduced hexadecimal. Hexa means 6 plus 10. Hexadecimal, total 16. So 0 to 9, then after that for 10, English alphabet A is used, then B, C, D, E, F last. So there are total 16 digits in this one, figures in this one, symbols in this one. Then after that we take combination 1, 0. So how to convert this into this one or this to octal, binary to hexa, everything is there, you can study it. But in this video, I'll just show you conversion from decimal to binary, then binary back to decimal, just to give you the idea. So let us take an example. I have a number, decimal number, base 10 means it is decimal number. So this is base 10, this is base 8, this is base 2, and this is base 16. So we write 10 here because 25 can be there in octal also, hexa also. Which one it is? Now to show that we will say decimal as 10. Then how to convert into binary? So the method is we find out successively we divide it by 2 to get the binary form. 2 ones 2, 2 twos. So 2 12s 24, remainder is 1. 2 6 12, remainder is 0. And 2 3s is 6, remainder is 0. 2 ones 2, remainder is 1. So we take remainder here, we don't write decimal. 2 0 times is 0, remainder is 1. So take the digits from bottom towards up. So the digits are 11001, 11001. This is the binary form. So this is how a decimal number is converted into binary. Then binary back to decimal. Let us see the procedure. If I take the same number and convert into binary decimal form, so take the number in the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 5 boxes. Then write this number 11001. Then At this bottom, write powers of 2 from right side. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Now 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. This is how much? 16 plus this is how much? 8 plus this is how much? 0 multiplied by anything is 0 only. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. This is 1. So how much this is? 24 plus 1. So this is 25. So we got this in 25, that is number system, decimal number system. So this is how the conversion is done. So that's it. This is sufficient. I have shown you decimal number in binary and binary back to decimal. So like this procedures are used for converting them using pen and paper. Now electronic circuitry internally handle these things, right? For humans, we follow these conversion methods to understand how it is represented in binary form. So knowing about the number system will definitely help you, right? Give you detailed understanding, but associated with some other subjects are also there. So in other subjects, it will be very helpful, right? That's all about number system. See, the coming videos are based on the concept only, right? So you have to be calm and follow each and every video if you are a beginner. All right. So don't skip any video, right? I am not going to directly start showing you how to write down the program and all. First, you should have some basics. If you're learning programming for the first time, study all these, watch all these video, and you will be prepared for understanding programming. All right. So watch the next video.